This is the B, C, D, and E. I had a client order. They did that for the A. The color in the book, you actually don't have to highlight over there. You can search for them. It might not be the color everyone was looking for.
Which is why you don't stop this.
Which is why we don't. That's why we don't stop it.
So what was the cost of this usually? Is it $85?
So a typical bullion fringe that we would stock in our showroom, I believe, is 65 for a similar 8-inch bullion. Yeah, we'll get the other one.
But normally when you do custom.
We'll give you tapes instead, okay?
I can't tell you how many times we quote a custom order. It takes 2 to 3 months, and the price is usually astronomical. And after we quote them, we go to so much work, and maybe 20% of the people actually order 25%. And that's why semi-custom was born, because it's only slightly more than a regular fringe. And then custom made, and the time frame is very quick.
Well, I think the big thing is the time frame, and also semi-custom custom in general for a lot of people is intimidating, and even for their clients it's intimidating. They don't know what they're getting into, and they don't really even want to go there. Semi-custom tries to take some of that nervousness out of there, and hopefully have them at least get some sort of rendering of what they're expecting. So when you get to this stage, you've created your fringe, and you would go to checkout. Checkout is going to give you the option of either proceeding with actually placing the order. For some people, they might want to go ahead and place the order. For other people, they might want to wait and get what we call a pre-production approval form.
And you can save it also if you're not ready.
Yeah, you can save the project.
The cool thing about it is, you picked your colors, you now see what it looks like. Oh, you know what, that has too much pink in it. I think I want to put the pink in the first place, have a little less pink, or you can sit there and just play with it, and then you will actually see. That's the problem, every one of them is going to want to play with it.
So when we get here, we can go and request a pre-production approval form, or you can actually just